Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with outside speakers, outside storage, outside kitchen refrigerator, spare tire and carrier, single slide, double step entry, flip down travel wrap, backup camera ready, outside shower, stabilizer jacks, LED exterior lighting, full walk-on roof, solar power prep, LED interior lighting, dual lights over headboard, stainless sink, high-rise faucet, carbon monoxide detector, set of bunks, entry grab handle, queen-size bed, LP leak detector, electric awning with LED lights, upper bunk windows, over-the-range microwave, sink covers, front bedroom, bathroom toilet, storage drawers under each booth. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.